What we're looking at here is powdery mildew on these beautiful zinnias. We had early spring rains during the cool part of the season, followed by a summer that was hot and humid. Anytime you have those conditions, you're going to have this powdery mildew, especially if your plants are crowded like this because they're not getting good airspace. A couple of things you could do. One, resistant varieties will always help. Two, you can use a fungicide. I would go with a copper-based fungicide. And the third thing you would need to do, if these leaves happen to fall off, practice good sanitation, because these leaves will still contain these fungal spores. And if you water, or Mother Nature waters for you, those spores will splash up and they'll get on the other leaves as well. So again, a good copper-based fungicide, resistant varieties, practice good sanitation. Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.